You've always, I suppose, practiced law in the suburbs. What have you seen to be the benefits for you practicing in the suburbs?
I'm a big advocate for practicing in the suburbs, I always have been. I think aside from the obvious benefits, which for me are a 10-minute commute to work and an underground car park, there's a really fantastic culture in suburban practices. You'll often find that staff are more loyal to those practices. There may be lawyers who have been there for 10, 15, 20 years, and that also promotes loyalty from clients because they have a continuing relationship with the same lawyer and the same firm. I think there is also a lot of positive work-life balance that can come from working in the suburbs, whether it be that you have hobbies outside of the law that you want to pursue or family commitments that you need to meet. Working close to home can really help that. I found that working in suburban practice is actually really great for having a connection with the community and supporting local businesses. And you can really have a thriving practice in the suburbs. So I certainly recommend it for anyone who's looking for a change or even for law students who are coming out to know that that's an option for them.
It's there's this, we speak to a lot of law students and they always think that they need to be in the city, top-tier firm, corporate environment, and we always encourage them to, also, look at those options, but also look at firms in the suburbs because they get great experience and access to really good, I suppose, mentors as well. So
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
I think it's a complete misconception that all the good work is right here in the city. Certainly for younger lawyers, the opportunities working in the suburbs are fantastic. Suburban practices can range from a group of 5 lawyers to up to 50. Like in my current practice, we have 50 employees. And those types of firms generally invest more in their young lawyers. Mm-hmm. They trust their young lawyers more. There can be less of a hierarchical system, if you like. And those lawyers are given opportunities to do complex work and work a bit more autonomously than they may get in a larger size firm in the city. Certainly from my own experience, I have, as a suburban lawyer, had the opportunity to work on high net worth estate matters. Or high net worth clients. I have dealt with an estate for a former member of the judiciary. Within 6 months of starting my current role, I actually was preparing for my first ever trial. And at the end of that, the barrister had a coffee with me and said, I don't know if you realise, but most lawyers at your level won't see a trial. Even senior lawyers or partners may not see a trial from start to finish because of the high levels of early resolution. So I think there's wonderful experience to be had there, and law students should definitely keep their eyes open for opportunities in the suburbs.
Yeah, awesome.